Test mic, test check. Alright, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. Kakatapos lang ng EcoFlow product presentation. We're here sa Marco Polo Hotel in Ortigas. We got to witness the launch of 3 kinds of EcoFlow product na you can use it to your home or outdoor, pwede rin din, or pwede rin sa industrial, pang home use na rin din. So first, na-introduce kanina, itong malaki na to, no? Yung sa likod ko, that's a all-in-one inverter for solar at saka batteries pang storage ng energy. So this is the EcoFlow Power Ocean. Ayan. Ako ba na-check kung magkano eh. But ang ganda ng system nila for their introduction. Also the smaller unit, it's the EcoFlow Stream. Stream, tama ba? Tama ba stream to eh, EcoFlow Stream. At meron yung version dito na pang inverter. At also the EcoFlow Delta Pro, which is yung malaking version nila. Yung Delta Pro is the smaller portable batteries. Meron silang bigger batteries na use it, bring it anywhere. But here, pang power up siya ng home. So, pakita ko sa inyo, no? Mamaya, hanap tayo ng spokesperson para kakatapos lang ng product presentation here. Pakita ko sa inyo. Also, they have their several units here like the River, the EcoTrail. Ayan, yun yung Delta Pro, yung malaki na yan. Also, the Delta 3 series nilang maliliit. Ayan. Delta 3. Ayan, Delta 3 Plus. Ito naman Delta Pro 3 nila. Napakalaki. Ayan. So, mamaya balikan natin yan. At they also have solar panels. Andito. They also sell solar panels, no? For 45 watts, 60 watts, 110, 160, 220, at 400 watts. And I guess you can use it to power up any kinds of EcoFlow portable batteries, no? And also, pang home use and then. So, for example, they have a screen here. Wala yung video. They have a screen here showing different kinds of EcoFlow products. Kung paano nila ginagamit yung backup power. This is the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus. It's a portable, parang generator mo, no? You can use it to power some appliances, computer for example. Ayan, no, lahat ng kayo, pati 3D printer, oh, meron din siya. So nag-brand out, for example, you can use it. That's the main power solutions na binibigay ni EcoFlow. That's a good example, no? So here, ito yung kanilang EcoFlow Power Ocean na single phase. Ito yung itsura niya. And they have very nice diagram here, which is, for example, there's the solar panel. And the solar panel will go through the inverter na Power Ocean. Si Power Ocean, it will charge these 3 batteries. Tatlo yan. Stackable yan. Pwedeng isang battery, pwedeng dalawa, pwedeng tatlo. At per battery, it's I think the 15 kilowatt. So tatlo is around 45 daw ang total niya pag tatlo. So pag na-stack mo na siya at na-charge siya, you can power up an entire home. Umaga at gabi. Hindi ko lang alam kung gaano kalaking bahay yung kailangan, no? But having these 3 stackable batteries, 45 kilowatts, 45,000, no? Tama, 4,500 kilowatts, tama ba? So, correct me if I'm wrong, di ko dala yung aking notes eh. But that's the idea. That's the idea, to power up the entire home. Lagyan ko na lang subtitle na lang to para maintindihan ninyo. And then, the next one is the EcoFlow Stream. They have here a inverter, which is, ito yung solar panel mo. By the way, kanina, no? Balikan mo to. You can also monitor this using the EcoFlow app para ma-check mo yung status ng battery nyo. If it's working properly, low battery ba siya, full battery siya. So, through the EcoFlow app, you can monitor everything. So, similar to here, the EcoFlow Stream na inverter, micro-inverter, tawag nila. Micro-inverter. Nakakonect sa solar. And you can power up your home kahit walang battery, direct ka na, naka-direct ka na for charging some appliances or maybe electric fan, lights, or washing machine kung malakas ka. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano gumagana to, no? Hindi ko lang kasi maintindihan kung ano tong isang to. Baka I think it's a switch, di ba? To give continuous power pag daytime. So pag daytime, pag gabi, wala ka ng battery. So you need the EcoFlow Stream plug-and-play solar system. Ito yung smaller version ni Power Ocean. Pwede mo siyang i-stack na rin din. Kung i-connect siya with another battery, I think tama ba? I think pwede yata no? Pwede mo siyang i-series para at least more battery ka. Pero this one, it's an all-in-one thing. So solar panel, inverter na rin din to, and battery. Pwede mo siyang i-connect sa grid. Ayan, pwede ka magbato ng energy. Tama ba? Grid to, no? Grid.
Parang net metering.
Net metering, ayan.
Para zero bill.
Para yung nga, wala ka nang babayaran ng kuryente. And also can direct na to your appliance. For example, washing machine. Parang washing machine yung pinaka-example nila. It's malaki yung kanilang konsumo kasi ng washing machine. So this one here, very interesting, no? Parang mukha siyang refrigerator, no? So ito yung tsura niya, ito yung likod niyan. So maraming mga tingi dito, no? Ito mga panglagay ng mga kuryente or cable kasi connected to the solar cell nyo. So ito yung likod niya. Binuksan ko na to kanina. So may mga saksakan dito. Ayan. Mga saksakan niya. Ayan yung tsura niya, no? May AC on off pa. I think it will give some power. Hindi ko lang kung paano yung connection nito, no? Very newbie pa ako when it comes to this solar thingy. At going back here sa Power Ocean, ito yung tsura niya. Ito yung likod niya. Yan, maraming mga saksakan dito. I think sa solar yata nung kakabit to At meron ditong PV switch on and off dyan for the inverter, I think. At sa kabilang side.
So meron kang one app?
Ito yung tsura niya, no? Kasi kanina natanggal to tinatanggal stackable to
Screw,
ini-screw tapos ipapatong mo lang. Okay, ganun yung pala. So ito nakalagay ito battery on off na. So that's a very close up look with the Power Ocean. Ganda. You power up your entire home. No? So balikan natin dito. We have here the solar panels. Ayan. Parang I think ideal is 20 solar panels daw So this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, di ba? Bigyan pa ng mga times 5 pa. And let's go back here sa kanilang Delta Pro Ultra. Ito siya. Ito yung tsura niya. Napakalaki. Grabe. So dito, ito mo siyang buksan to. Marami siyang mga plugs. Marami siyang mga plugs. You can connect everything here. Grabe. Ayan. Ito yung mga panel niya. They have here. Hindi ko alam anong ito. 4G module. Mga 4G module na yan. Saksakan. This one is 200 and 100 volts. Ito yung mga pang charging input yata ito Yeah, I think so. Iba yung tsura niya. Ito ata yung for the solar thing. Ang laki ng solar panel nila dito. Grabe ang laki. So nakakabit ba siya? Nakakabit. Yeah. Ito yung solar panel. Nag-give you an idea, no? Nakakabit siya dito. Naka-charge siya dito. So this one can charge the Delta Pro Ultra ng power, no? So yun ang iba yung tsura niya. Hindi ko lang mag-gets nga yung mga maraming saksakan So kailangan talaga may you can approach EcoFlow store for a consultation kung ano yung mga kinakailangan yung power solutions. So ayan this is the some of the Delta series sila na maliliit. Ayan. And this one is the River. Ito yung mga natatipuan ko yung mga River series nila. And syempre, ito yung pinakang okay sa akin kasi maliit, River 3 UPS. Parang portable battery, no? You can power up your mobile devices. But syempre, the Eco Trail yung pinakabago. Talaga napupusuan ko talaga. I'm still waiting na magkaroon sila. It's around 12,000 pesos. Okay na to for camping, on the go, charging ng drones, for example, camera. And also you can use it to charge via solar na rin din. Okay, maganda yung mga products na ni-present nila dito sa EcoFlow event. At yun nga, we have some interest to get this set up. At ito yan. At yung kaninang ayun meron siyang bolt doon. Ayun.
Modular yan.
Modular siya, stackable talaga yung
connector niya.
Kinalas kanina.
May tornilyo lang.
Hindi, tornilyo yung Pero ito yung ano, yung hawakan.
Talaga ano lang, plug and play lang tsaka siyang.
Pero ito yung kabitan niya, yung mga points,
Mm,
mga connectors niya yun.
parang
Walang wire talaga.
parang support lang para hindi siya mahulog. Galing, ganito. Ganun katindi.
Plug and play.
Plug and play talaga siya. So ayan, maximum 6K watt AC output. Ayan. Maximum 12 kilowatt PV input up to 15K. Tama nga, 1500. 1500 isa. So parang total tatlo is 4500K ang kanyang kilowatt capacity pag tatlong nakastock na battery. So, ayan. So, hindi ko pa lang yung SRP nito and the stream and also the delta. So, if you have any questions, ano? Yun na ba yung token natin? Ayan yung ano, yung river. Oh.
Masyado mabigat ng Power Ocean.
Ini-stack na rin din. Ano yan? Sold out na yan? Sold out
River
na.
Plus lang. Hindi mabenta yung River Plus.
Ganun pala yun. Mayroon pala siyang takip no? Nililigpit na pala. Ayan, kinakabit to. Ayun. So, meron na siyang extra battery.
Hanggang tatlo.
Dalawa lang siya. Dalawa lang. Maximum niya is ano lang. Kasi backup battery itong isa, di ba?
Yes.
Backup battery siya.
Kala ko pwede hanggang tatlo.
Sige. Okay lang.
Ito ano.
Ano, paparapol na ba yan?
Pag nadala mo.
Ito talaga. Maganda. Delta Pro Ultra. Tama ba? Pro Ultra o Ultra lang?
Delta Pro 3.
Delta Pro 3 Ultra. Hindi pa ba yung Ultra? Iba pa yung Ultra? Parang mali yata yung ano ko.
Masyadong malaking delta.
Pro 3 to, no?
Yan po yung Ultra.
Ito yung Ultra. Ito yung 3. Ito pala yung Ultra. Tama pala ako. Mas malaki. Stackable ba to? Yung ilalim niya? Hindi Ano na yan? Stackable yan? Okay. So ito yung inverter. Ito yung battery. Ito yung battery na may inverter. Ito yung extra battery. Ganda. Panalo. So, ayan, I'll end now my video here. Ayan, another good discussion about EcoFlow products. So, thank you guys for watching. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. This is just an introduction, no? Wala tayong explainer dito how these things work, but pakita ko sa inyo yung mga different kinds of EcoFlow products. So, yun. So, thank you guys for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys in the next video of Love Adventure. Thank you, EcoFlow. At ayun, nanalo ko ng t-shirt kanina sa quiz.